Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the tool safe. Remove the battery or disable power, then flip the trimmer so the spool housing faces up. Once done, brush away grass and dirt so you can see the retention tabs clearly. Press the tabs or rotate the cap according to your model, just enough to free the spool. You're acting now, don't waste time. Keep the trimmer stable under your palm. This prevents twisting while you expose the spool and inspect line feed direction for reassembly. You lift the spool straight out, watching for a small spring or washer that may drop free. Set them in sequence. Once removed, unwind any tangled line and clear broken pieces. Examine the spool for cracks or distortion because a damaged housing ruins line feed. Next, match the replacement spool and line diameter to the specs on the trimmer head, 0.65 inch is common. If the new spool differs, don't force it. Mismatched parts cause jamming and uneven feed. Keep parts organized for reverse assembly. You wind the replacement line neatly, following the arrow molded on the spool so the line coils in the correct direction. Leave the recommended tail length exposed. Then, replace the spring and washer in the original order, drop the spool in, and align the tabs. Press or twist the cap until it snaps home. You should hear a click. Start the trimmer at idle and gently tug to confirm automatic feed. If line binds or doesn't release, stop and rewind. A misaligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.